Assistant District Attorney Aaron Reagan. I'll be the one prosecuting your retrial.
Happened to the other skirt?
If you're referring to ADA Blake, she no longer is on this case.
Too bad. She had legs for days.
Yes, well, I'll be sure to pass that along. Mr. Granderson, you do realize you are facing a sentence of up to 12 years here.
It is what it is.
If that's how you feel about it, why don't you save us both a lot of time and money and just plead guilty?
Because I didn't do it.
She's got legs for days.
What? She do?
You don't sound like a man who's innocent.
What's the point? A lot of hooting and hollering by me ain't gonna change a damn thing.
Well, I guess I'll see you in court then.
Wait. Sorry.
Did you kill Victor Kleber?
Hell no.
You've been arrested 3 other times for carjacking done with the exact same methodology. A man in a hoodie pulls a gun out on the driver and demands the car.
Almost the same. Let's just say, if I did do those other carjackings, I wouldn't have used a loaded gun.
Oh, come on, you really expect me to believe that?
It's true.
Prove it.
I can't.
Then I can't help you.
All right, look. 10 years ago, me and my brother were out on the stoop. All of a sudden, pop, pop, pop. It's chaos everywhere. When I looked down, my baby brother was dead at my feet. Ain't no way I could blast somebody.